Ma MK amahle uyabona masikhuza izinto kuba khona abantu othola ukuthi baya criticize kanjalo ngoba sisuke sikhuza. Ngifuna ukuyaphi na? There are recent members of our party who made statements which were inciting violence. Those people were served with summons from the opposition party, or they were served, I don't know, maybe by the government or whoever, but they were served with summons. And one of them that has appeared in court, obviously, because of the statement of incitement. Okay, abantu abalalele masisho uthinto musu kuyithatha ngeexcitement, yabo? Musu kuyithatha ngeexcitement into ufunda ukulalela, yabo? But ngifuna ukuya kule lento za kule video le. This is incitement. Kwakusenkantolo la eDurban. Leli qeqebana labo leli, yabo? Kwakusenkantolo lana and ama leaders abo lawa lapha phezulu. They are inciting incitement to the opposition party, which is EMK, and bathi Dubula. Emva kwalokho kuzokwenzekani? Kuzoba ne-accident kaNcamalala. Yabo? So ekugcineni ubani okufanele iMK kufanele icharge inikwe ama-summons, okay? I'm not saying I'm condoning ilentos in our statement incitement sakukhuza, and we were criticized sakukhuza impela lokho because you're not supposed to incite, yabo? But this one ke sithini ngayo? I've shared this to the leadership manje because it's my first time mina ngiyibona le video le. Kuthiwa sidutshulwe la. Isithini ngalento le? Action should be taken khona kuzobonakala ukuthi nathi asidlali. Asinga attackwa thina singathi asikwazi thina ukuvika. Yabo? Asinga attackwa thina ngathi asikwazi thina ukuthi into nathi abantu bayoserve ngama-summons. Lo muntu lo owayi inciter la kufanele naye acharge. This guy should be charged. Period. Yabo? Ngeke phela sidlale ukuthi ngoba napha abantu bethi bakuyipower bona sekufanele bazokhuluma isinomi kanjani nathi. Mawukuthi sike silimale sonke lana kuba njani. This guy should be charged. Yabo? No guys, no. Asivukeni emaqandeni. Muntu omnyama, wena muntu omnyama if usathi usavotela iANC. Hey. I'm saying you can't be defending ANC and not look like a fool. Never. Defend kanjani nonsense nje? Defend kanjani umbhedo nje? Hayi ne-EFF isithi enizonyusa iANC into power but ifuna ikhundla. Bafuna ikhundla enemali phakathi bathi bafuna ifinance. Vuka umuntu omnyama, phaphama. Ayikho lento. Nayi into ekhona ezokukhipha emaketangweni. Yona into ekhona ke le MK izokukhipha emaketangweni.